this is Cricket with another sub box from DEK.Designs. I'm so excited to show you this. This is the June sub box. And let me go ahead and tell you that you have to sign up for the sub box by the 2nd of the month. You're not going to want to miss this. These are beautiful boxes. They fill in with a ton of stuff, a lot of goodies. And when you do order, I'm getting ready to show you. It says, your month will be filled with joy and laughter. Digital file links will be emailed with all papers, clip art, and few extra surprises. Love, Dawn, Emily, and Katie. So not only do you get the beautiful sub box and everything in it, but you also get digital files as well. So let's go ahead and open it so you can start to see all the good stuff. They always give you beautiful confetti and love stuff like that. So let me get that so I can start to show you. I'm loving it already. This box is gorgeous, I can tell. Okay, so let me just go ahead and first start off with this. They give you a cute little, whoop, I dropped it. A cute little palm clip. Love that. Love, love, love. It's pink, pink, pink. And then a strawberry. And then a pink large clip, which I love these. I love, love, love these. These hold up in my hobo as well as everything else. And then here is a strawberry, let me open it, pouch. Look how cute that is, the little strawberry on both sides. That'd be cute to hold your pens and stuff in, or some die clips, some baby stickers. Love, love, love. And then this is the June monthly. Let me get this out so I can show it to you really quickly. So I'll be setting this up so y'all be looking for that video as well. All right, there's a beautiful June foiled, red foiled. Let's see if I can get the foil in there. Look at that, gorgeous. Monthly calendar sticker, and then it has flags, 3 bow scallop check box or checks, and then budget, plan, laundry, and grocery all done in the foil, the red foil. Is that not beautiful? That is gorgeous. Wow, wow, I love it. All right, and then this is the monthly. This is for the Erin Condren, and I love that. I don't know if anybody ever noticed when I did my hauls before, but the June, the month, and the days of the week are separate. So I love that because then it's easier to place in your planner. And then you get two different versions of like scallop corner, and then a scallop right here, and then your days of the week and your dates. So that's the first page. The second page would be like your sidebar, large flags, appointment boxes, full boxes right here. What would be your quarter boxes, your paydays, appointment boxes, little tiny quarter boxes, some functionals. So there's your second page. And then your third page is some deco, some more full boxes, more of your quarter boxes, functional icons. So you get a lot in just a monthly kit. And this kit is gorgeous. It is absolutely beautiful. Love it. All right, so there's your monthly kit. I'm gonna push this box back just a little bit so that you can see the stuff that comes in it as I'm doing it. Try to anyway. My desk is not all that big. There you go. Okay, let's get the confetti out of the way. All right, and then here are some Boo Bear stickers. Y'all know I have trouble opening these things. Okay. Here are some more strawberries. Aren't they cute? Look, little sequins. Pink and red. But then here are these. They're the Post-it notes, and it says, my bad, ugh, LOL, nope. Love those. And then you have some plain, but all of them have bow toppers. I love those. And then you get Boo Bear in, sorry, my dog's in the background making up noise here. Boo Bear and the Hippo with coffees, meal plan, adult-ish. I love those. Those are cute. Oh, let me flip these around. And then Boo Bear and Hippo with her washi. And then Boo Bear doing various things like cakes. Looks like little cake with a fork, basket. How adorable is she? And he. So cute. And then back to the, nope, bad. My bad. Here is the kit. And this kit is foil. And let me tell you something about these kits. These kits are so huge that you can use it probably 2 or 3 weeks, maybe 4 if y'all are a white spacer. Here are your full boxes, and look at these gorgeous full boxes with the foil in there. Is that not beautiful? And then you got a double box down here, and your quarter bow boxes right here. Let me give you one more shine on that. Look at that. The little strawberry foils in there. Is that not gorgeous? Then your quarter, half boxes, and then more quarter boxes, habit trackers, appointment boxes, sidebar, and then decorative dots down here in all foiled. And then again, another full boxes. And these are 2 long full boxes and full boxes here. These are so adorable. And then your quarter boxes. I love these. Then your ombre bow check boxes, large and medium, and then you have your 3 bow check flags, and then your smaller flags right here. Then your day covers, and then your beautiful bottom washi. Look at there, with the foiled strawberries again, and then foil washi strips right here. Then your headers with to do today littles, and then your food trackers and asterisks. Your large washies, your foiled glitter headers, your heart functionals, laundry, movie marquee, balloons, and bed. And then your half doilies, your working girl, work, meeting, and appointments. And then here's your beautiful weekend banner and some deco. And you get a lot of deco. Check out this deco because the die cuts match that I'm getting ready to show you. Isn't that cute? Adorable. Let me put that right here so you can see. And now here are your die cuts. And I'm going to tell you guys, the paper that they put behind these die cuts, I actually use them. I use them in my B6 or my personal wide. Are those not beautiful? A lot of times I will laminate those. But look, right here comes your paper. So I'm just going to tell you. So there's those. All right, and here are your die cuts. I'm going to show you one at a time. And these are actually stickers. I think this one, yeah, these are stickers. Let me show you real quick. So here is your basket with flowers and a planner. Your teapot. Flowers. I would call that a macaroon. Cake. Kitty cat. Strawberry with a flower. More flowers and strawberries. Jam. Strawberry on a charm. More flowers. This one says happy day. Fresh strawberries. Coffee cup with strawberries. Whoop. More strawberries. Flowers. Either a purse or a planner bag is what I would say. Bow. Bunny. More strawberries, and then this cutie, it says eat cake, be happy, stay sweet, to do, good vibes, and girl boss. Rock on. Then you get some awesome candy, strawberry candies. And then a strawberry airhead, so they like to feed you while you're planning. And then this beautiful washi. Let me take it out. This is beautiful. Look at this washi, y'all. Has strawberries on it. That's the washi, and it's foiled. Isn't that beautiful? Be using that. And then they gave us some slime. Ooh, that's fun. So fun. And then here are your beautiful papers. Okay, so this one is this cardstock with this on the other side. Oh, I love this. I love this stripe. I'll be setting up my personal wides here pretty soon. And then that side. Oh, that's glorious. Look at that. Oh, the hearts. Loving the hearts, loving the hearts. Oh, that's beautiful too. So that's why I love that it's both sides. And then here is your vellum with your strawberries. And then this one with this, ooh, the glitter on this side. And then this beautiful one and this on this side. So y'all, look at all you get in a sub box. I mean, that is crazy lots of fun, right? So make sure that you go and you order this before the 2nd of the month so that you will get it and you will have time to do your monthly layouts, your weekly layouts, get your TN, so your B6 set up, or even your Hobonichi, because I mean, hello, perfect sizes. So I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and hit that bell. Also, don't forget, at DEK.Designs, you can use my code Crickett20 for 20% off, not on sub boxes and specials, but on other stickers, and check them out. And I hope to see you back here really, really soon. All right, y'all have an awesome, blessed week, and talk with you later. Bye-bye.